Hey everybody, Gage here from Sharp. We got a real humdinger of a repair to do today. As you can see, this handle needs to be replaced and we need to do some serious reprofiling on this blade. So let this be a reminder to you to never lend your knives to front of house staff, whether they be bartenders or servers. They are most likely not going to treat your things the way that you would treat them, and you'll end up with something like this. So obviously lots to be done here today. As I said, handle is going to be replaced, so we're going to need to sand down the tang, create a bit of a rough surface so that the epoxy and the new handle actually hold together. We're going to use some sandpaper just to rough this up and get rid of any of the tape that's been placed on here to keep the old handle on it. We are also obviously going to need to polish the entirety of this blade as well, as it's seeing some rust here, and obviously we're going to need to repair these chips and fix the profile of this knife, as it does not look like it would be enjoyable to use in its current state. So with all of that said, we're going to get ourselves set up here and start repairing this knife. Stay tuned.
Okay, there you have it, guys. Make sure the knife stays upright so it dries straight. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more knife-related content, and until the next video, stay sharp.